Hello, welcome back. This is part of our Aging in the Law series, and I'm toying with doing like a day in the life of an elder law practice. And so I'm focusing on powers of attorneys for two reasons. One, it keeps you out of court, and two, it keeps you away from attorneys. So that's why it's important. It's a very important lifetime planning tool, is setting up a power of attorney. And I'm coming from the point of view of Michigan, and there's a division in Michigan. There is a medical power of attorney for health care, and there's a special one, there's a division under that special one called the PAD, Patient Advocate Designation, and I'll go into that next time. And if there's comments on this video, leave some comments if I'm not clear. And then there's a financial power of attorney. I'd kind of like to talk about the financial power of attorney here, and let's go right to the ABA. So I'm trying to empower you to take a look at it. Go there to the ABA power of attorney and read this, the definition, what it is. You're giving someone else the power to act for you when you're unavailable or incapacitated. And you can put a lot of bells and whistles on it, and you can have it very limited. You can have it very broad. Say you have the power to do everything. There are certain things that are non-delegable that you cannot delegate to somebody. For example, voting is a non-delegable right. Getting married is non-delegable. Can't say, hey, stand in for me and express the vows for marriage. Not able to do that in America, United States of America. So again, the power of attorney, when you're looking at that, if I'm helping you walk it and talk it through the ABA site, you want, when you have a problem and you lack capacity, you want a trusted person. Usually it's going to be a spouse as number one, and number two is a trusted child. That's the norm. There are exceptions to that. So in a simple, easy peasy power of attorney, in Michigan you can go to michigan.gov and you can get a standard form. Sometimes if you have an attorney, they're more robust, but I would start with michigan.gov. Take a look and type in power of attorney and see what's offered there by the Attorney General in terms of statutory forms of powers of attorney. Again, you're nominating someone to act for you. And we'll go through, you can see there on the left side of this ABA website here, who should be your agent. We'll go into that a little bit later. How the agent should sign. We did that number one. That's the most important thing. What kind of powers should I give my agent? What if I move? Will my power of attorney expire? So this is just to introduce you why you should have a power of attorney. It keeps you out of court and it keeps you away from attorneys. So start thinking, do an inventory in your mind. What are your values? Who do you trust? How you can surround yourself with caring individuals, and those are the people that you may want to make decisions for you that know your values, know and care about you. So get that done. And I recommend an attorney in Michigan. But before you get to an attorney, there's professionalism and ethics. Particularly with a medical, we're supposed to tell you that you can do this without an attorney. There are some benefits to have an attorney. We'll discuss that a little bit later on. Powers of attorney, very important document. All right?